Welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to crochet these lovely daisy flowers. These flowers can be done in two simple steps. The first step would be to crochet the center part of the flower and then followed by making the petals. This is done using half double crochet stitches, and these petals I worked using stitches like single crochets, half double crochets and double crochets in a certain sequence. I shall explain that to you in detail when I am working the petals. So let's begin. For this, the materials required are a 3 mm crochet hook, any two colors of your choice. Here I have taken cotton threads. You can also go for normal woolen yarns, and a pair of scissors. For the center portion of the flower, I am going to use this yellow color thread. So for that, I will be making a magic circle. Into this magic circle, I need to work 10 half double crochet stitches. So I have done 10 half double crochet stitches into the magic circle. I shall pull the tail of the circle to close it, and I need to slip stitch into the first half double crochet stitch. So that will be first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Just go to the top and make a slip stitch. Once this is done, you cut the yarn, as the petals needs to be done with the pink colored yarn. I will be joining this pink colored yarn into the same place where the yarn was cut. So I'll just tie knots so as to secure the yarns. Once this is done, now for working the petals, this is the sequence that I need to follow. I'll be chaining 9. So here I am done with my 9 chains. Now I will be skipping the first chain and working one single crochet into the next chain. Into the next 2 chains, I will be working one half double crochet each. Again, into the next 2 chains, I need to work one double crochet each. Now I need to work the sequence in the reverse way. That is, for the next 2 chains, I will be working one half double crochet each. And into my last chain, I need to work one single crochet. In order to finish this petal, I need to slip stitch into the next stitch. So this makes one petal. So I shall make it clear to you once again. For making each of these petals, first we need to chain 9, then skip one of the chains. You will be having 8 chains. So into the first chain, you will be working one single crochet, followed by 2 half double crochet into next 2 chains. Again 2 double crochet stitches into the next 2 chains. Repeating the sequence, you will be ending with 2 half double crochets into the next 2, and the final stitch you will be working one single crochet. In order to complete this petal, you need to slip stitch into the next stitch. Again, you need to repeat this sequence, that is chain 9, and repeat the pattern as I mentioned before. After working all these stitches in the particular sequence that I had mentioned, you need to slip stitch into the next stitch, not into the same stitch where you started chaining 9, but into the next stitch. So in this way, since we had done 10 half double crochets, at the end you will be having 10 petals. In case if you want the daisy flower to be more denser, then you can go for 12 or 14 half double crochets for the initial round, and then the number of petals will also be according to that. That is, if you are making 14 half double crochets, the number of petals that you will be having are 14. So you continue this pattern till you are done with the 10 petals. Here I am done with my 10th petal. Now, as per the sequence of the petal, I need to finish the petal by doing a slip stitch into the next stitch, and this would be the first stitch of my flower. So I'll just insert the hook and slip stitch over here. And slip stitch over here. These petals will be quite wavy, so you just need to press them on a flat surface so that they get leveled. So that finishes our daisy flower. I've left this a long tail so that it can be used to sew the flower to your crochet work. So I hope this tutorial was useful for you. If you have any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.